I think this one's fascinating to think about because really this becomes more a question of like what will humans do when there is a fraction of the jobs that exist today in the future, and what are those new jobs going to be, and will those new jobs, if they exist, will they be corporate jobs, or will they more entrepreneur type jobs, or more like very small companies? Because one of the things I think technology is going to do is that it's going to allow the individual to become much more powerful than they are today. So that's what the cell phone did, right? If you compare you and I's capability, like I'll use this YouTube channel as an example. This YouTube channel, I'm so blessed and happy to say that it's literally, not that I needed it, but it has become a legitimate source of income for me. And it's a single person operation. No, it's a two-person operation with me and my wife. And the reason why we can do this is because of technology, because of the internet and computers. If I didn't have the internet and computers and a microphone and a camera and a light and whatever other crap I have behind me, this would not be possible. And if I think back 50 years ago, this doesn't exist. There's zero way for me to make this happen as an individual. And so I think about that a lot. And so what does the bot do in that respect? What does FSD do in that respect? What does ChatGPT do in that respect? AI, automation. As you fast forward yourself, and there's a lot of deflation for technology. I think the individual gains more and more power to do something valuable for society that more closely lines up with their natural ability. And I think ultimately that's what creates true value in the world, because you have a person who's truly passionate about what they do, and the technology and software, AI, robotics, and everything are maximizing that person's maximum potential. And my hope is that as we get farther into the future, more and more people are able to leverage those technologies to become who they want to become and bring value at the same time, which
Yeah.
completely bypasses the corporate rat race. That's how I think about it.